it's Inexcusable V3, and today I'm going to show you, of course, some of my expeditions. You see, I've got all my tries, and of course, I'm going to do some Herbie mesa, some storm mesa, some random storm mesa for, well, this isn't the team I'm running mesa. Basically, the team for Mesa, in my opinion, is placing Pumpkin Duke in the front, uh, Cupid, Druid, Spirit. I do prefer Spirit just to take off everything else, any other building, any other champion, but there are some champions who have a reflect, and of course they insta kill my spirit mace, so I go with Harpy Queen, and then I'm using a low level, low talent, and a low skill Triantar. Yes, I'm not getting that much might from this team, but it's really helpful. Well, never mind, let's do that after we do some expeditions. Let's start. What I'm doing on expedition is using my Pumpkin Duke, Druid, Cupid, Spirit, Warlock, Aris, Dradrake, Harpy, and oh, I think yes, that's all. Well, as you can see, it's a team which has a lot of area damage. Yes, area. Never mind. I really dislike those kind of bases because I don't have a specific place where I can spawn my heroes. Well, I'm just placing some there and the others there. Well, and then my heroes are starting to shoot everything. I'm making sure my heroes won't die because I need all 8 of them for my expeditions. As you can see, they just destroyed everything. Yes. Okay. Let's see. The same heroes, of course. Uh, yes. Well, at least this one is a bit. Well, I'm just spawning. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's see this one too. Let's use some Aries. Let's go for the Harpy Queen right there. And I go for Pumpkin and Druid right there. And I guess I won. Yes. I pretty much destroyed everything. Every hero he had. He also had, I guess, low level on his turrets, so it wasn't very helpful. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, in this case, I try to avoid the turrets and let my heroes take them down slowly, placing all my heroes there and waiting. Well, I guess I'll face the tower sooner than I should. Well, I guess of course there is a hope if no one die. Of course, I can see Cupid getting low. I have a level 2 Crescent life drain using on my Pumpkin Duke, but I do love to use Revite too. Well, doing here be monsters or monster trials. I'm not sure if it's called that way. Yeah, I'm never mind. I'm using uh, level 2 crescents on life drain, but in other modes like Mesa, like a boss, like expeditions, I do prefer to use my Revite. Never mind. Let's keep going. Oh, let me see. Well, in this case, I guess I'm going to place the two of them here. So pumpkin you can stack. Place some here. Place yes, here and then there. And I'm waiting to see what's going to happen. I see my spirit die. Well, I stopped it too late. I already got two flames. I didn't get the full honor badges or the merits, but never mind. Uh, I just can't waste any hero on that stupid basis. Oh my god, look at this. I don't have a spawn. Where can I place my heroes? Let's go there. Let's see. Oh my god. Just Cupid will go inside by his own. If oh my god, he has, of course he has a Skull Knight. Worst hero can face. Oh my god, come on, Drake, don't die, don't die. Okay, I got the two flames, of course. Let's go on. Oh my god, I hate those stars. So much damage, and just look at this, the range. Oh my god. Well, I'm going for, of course, the light train set for this one, or else my pumpkin will instantly die. Druid won't be enough. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to place all my heroes here, and I'm gonna see what's going on. Oh my god, look at Pumpkin Duke. Oh my god. Never mind, I'm gonna try it again, and this time at the top spawn, I'm away from the turrets. Just trying to deal some damage. Oh my god, look at Pumpkin Duke. Oh my god. Okay, so I can't do that either. I'm going to use next try. Well, these bases are my favorite second place heroes all over the map, and just watch them finishing the base. Oh my god, I don't have my revive on pumping. Well, I'm gonna wait for 40% extra energy. It's okay. Oh my god, please don't die, spirit. Proc, and kill them all, kill them all. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. And it's pretty much over. As you can see. Let's try this. And here. Oh my god, thank you. And I love to place Harpy Queen and Jadrake at the same spot because they both have I think it's 3 seconds on Dradrake and 2 seconds on Harpy Queen. Well, I guess I'm going to stop it. No, all the heroes are down. So it's my turn. Oh my god, just look at Spirit Maze. Just look at him. He almost died in some seconds. I didn't have any time to react. Oh my god. Well, he has 5 turrets and oh my god. Look at these garrisons. That's 4.5 I guess damage on heroes, so skip it. Let's see. Kinda like that base too. I'm gonna place this here and here, and guess I place those two here, and I'll wait and see what's going on. I guess it's my victory. Yes. Well, even though he has a stupid turret, of course, stupid turret, and he has no garrisons. You can see that he's dealing enough damage. Well, he didn't have time. He could kill one of my heroes if I had spawned next to it. Well, that's pretty much annoying with these turrets. I guess... I don't guess. IGG just made it for the HBM, but it helped on defending your base too. Well, I'm not sure. Lately, I see my heroes having a death cooldown. I'm not sure how it's called. Well, I need some time before I can use them to raid. After I've been raided. Raid. Never mind. And this is my last expedition. Well, I guess I'm getting total, I'm not sure, 8 8 million honor badges or 7.5. Yes, I'm not sure. Well, you see, after being raided by someone, my heroes need cooldown. It's I haven't see it from the beginning of the game when I started. Oh my god, garrisons! Garrisons are everywhere, and oh, my heroes are gonna die. But it's the last expedition. I don't really care that much. I hope I can win this before they all die. Oh my god, I just got 52%. I guess it's pretty much enough or not. And that's it. I'm dead. Never mind all these stupid garrisons. Uh, well, even though I have a Vlad, but it's only at 4 of 10. He has a 3 of 8 bulwark and a Warg at level 1 with 80 inscribe. It's not that easy to make the expeditions at 100% all of them. Well, I'm at 96,857 ranked. Yes, I know. I'm pretty good. I'm really high, of course. Well, that was it. I was going to do some Storm Mesa. Well, I saw you my set, and I'm going to make one to prove that it really works. It works out, of course. I'm trying to take bottom. This is this setup is just to go bot. Well, I really like to see what. Oh my god, come on. What others have. Oh my god. Oh, that's an evolved druid, of course. Oh my god, look at him. It's delightful. Well, we have 3 pumpkin dukes and 1 cubid. Oh my god. And I have my life drain on my pumpkin duke. Never mind. Oh, I can see an evolved, I guess, Sandaboom and Pumpkin Duke. He has 3 evolved heroes. That's awesome. Well, in this case, where we have Sandaboom, it's pretty much easy to destroy everything else, and I don't really need Harpy Queen. But I'm using Harpy Queen in case we have no Sandaboom, of course. Oh my god, look at him. Sandaboom's just so big, throwing rockets everywhere, dealing damage. Oh my god. Never mind. Uh, the only chase I can't win Mesa 4 is when all the heroes die. Well, mainly most of the heroes die, and we don't have the damage to finish off the bosses. Well, I do like when I meet some high might players who can go and solo one boss by themselves. It's pretty awesome. Well, you see, we're going 2 on bot, 1 on the right corner right here, and he He pretty much needs help, and when we finish the boss right there, we are going there and help him. But the high might right here, who can just finish the boss by himself. He just clear him up and come right to the middle. Well, almost at the same time when we finish the bot and we go to help the other. Well, most of the time, if we have heroes to destroy the turrets, we don't help him and we go right straight to the mid. Yes. Well, I guess I haven't do my Lost Battlefield, so I'm gonna try to do it now. Let's see. This is pretty much my setup teams. Come on. This is my favorite team. If only I had the 5-5 revive on my Cupid and the higher talent, of course, it would be awesome. Or a 5-5 revive on my Warlock, it would be awesome too. Well, this is what I like to call the stand team. Well, basically, I have my Drake in front, who can take a lot of damage, and Atlanticor, who has a Cresset of Tenacity, and 4 of 8 Revive. Well, it's not that great as a team, but I'm trying to make it up. Yes, let's see, I see Druid, so I guess I'm gonna start with my Pumpkin. Well, of course, my Pumpkin Duke don't need the life train. I would prefer to use Revive, especially on Lost Battlefield. Well, okay, let's see. Now I see a Druid, as I said, I'm going with my Pumpkin Duke team, and then uh, what I like to call my DPS team. So, yes. Okay, well, I'm not sure if I make the right choice, but I guess I have potential to win. Oh my god, come on. Yes. Oh my god. The Death Knight just procs and destroys everything. Oh my god. I hate that. Well, I guess my DPS team are going to get debuffed by this stupid Harpy Queen. But who cares? Who really cares about that? Plus 39 points. I see Cyclops. Of course, I have no problem. Well, I see a low hero, so I'm gonna start with my stand team, and then I'm going with a TPS team. Oh my god, what's this? Are you kidding me? It's 80 level and 100 level, which I guess this angel is inscribed. Because he can take a lot of damage and not die immediately. Well, oh my god, what's this? What's this? What was that? Oh my god, I feel so bad. I feel so bad I beat this guy. Well, okay, whatever. I see a Vlad, which is going to be a problem, so I could use my stand team, but none of my teams will really take him off. I go with the same set, never mind. Let's. Oh my god, this match is already lost. 5-5 revive on Pumpkin Duke. Well, even no, this Call Knight would take him off even if my Atlanticor would have broke. I see and so high level of heroes and I'm getting nervous. I'm so far behind, but oh my god, please don't die, don't die. Yes, thank you. And oh, why Atlanticor? Why an Atlanticor? Oh my god, come on, go on, please. Take them off, take them off. Thank you. No, I hate you. I really, really hate you. I guess I can't win this one. Even. I just don't have the power to take him off. This team isn't really that great. I'm not sure what could I use. I have a ninja with 5-8 deadly strike, but I have an orc Swain. He's pretty low. Oh my god, I'm not sure what can I do. Well, never mind. I'm going against the Simortep. He has done. I guess this one will do. Oh my god. I can see. Oh, he's pretty much on my level. I guess I can take him off. I hope. Yes, I did. Well, when I got my Death Knight, he had a 5 of 8 tenacity, and I was like, oh my god, an awesome tank having an awesome talent. Is that real? Yes, it was crazy enough to open him up. I got him as a card and see that he has an awesome talent. Well, I can't see anyone higher than me. Oh my god, yes, this is it. I see a paladin, so his first team might be low. I'll go that set. Yes, I might win this. Mm, I'm not sure. Maybe the stance will be enough to take this team off. Yes. Oh my god. Please, Ninja, don't kill them all. Okay. Well, they had a lot of life left, HP. And I guess. Oh my god. Ninja wasn't able to kill them all. And this Skull Knight, it's just gonna destroy everything. I guess. Blood don't have any chance. And this Skull Knight. Oh my god! What? Skull Knight didn't revive? What was that? I wasn't really sure I could win this one. Well, why isn't there a replay for the Lost Battlefield? We have a replay for Arena. Someone bet me. Oh my god. But why don't we have a record on Battlefield? It would be just epic. Never mind, that was the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it and see you next time. Bye.